In this video, I will be showing how a teacher can easily track attendance. For this, the teacher first needs to log into the portal. Then the teacher needs to select sessions from the classes page. The sessions will look like this. The sessions will already be created by the admin. The attendance will be available at the rightmost corner. The teacher can click on attendance and the teacher can select on time, tardy, absent with cause, without cause as options for tracking attendance. In this way, the teacher can mark all the students. After marking all the students, the teacher can submit attendance, and the attendance will be recorded. And after that, the teacher can see that the attendance is recorded on the sessions page as well. The attendance is completed. The teacher can also go to attendance from the attendance button here at the right. By clicking on it, if there is a session created on that particular day, the page will refer to the session of the particular day. Example, today's session was created already. So it will look like this, and teacher can submit attendance. And the attendance is recorded.